So, on account of the lab today going a little rough just because of the technology issues projector not working, I wanted to make a quick video describing how to use dfield for some of these things. Because other than the dfield stuff, I think everything went smoothly. So this is the lab document again. If you just look up MA366 RIA, you can find the page, and then you just scroll down and you have the lab and the rubric. Again, we just grade by the rubric, so just do what the rubric says and you'll be fine. And for the actual lab, I'm not going to walk through the lab in this video, but I will show how to use dfield briefly. So let me do this. I'll first just open dfield and you'll get all these windows that pop up. And so when you plug in this differential equation here, I'll do the first one. We're going to say t prime equals negative k times t minus 70. And then our independent variable should be little t, it's time. And then k is a parameter. So it says, let's just show k equals 0.39. So I just enter k equals 0.39. I graph the phase plane. We'll get something like this. Then we need to do keyboard input of initial value to use the initial condition t of 0 equals 76.4. So going back to dfield, if I press solution, then keyboard input of initial value, say little t equals 0, big T equals 76.4, press solve. And so you're not going to see anything because the window is wrong. You can either define the window when you first plot the phase plane right there, or you can just go to dfield zoom out window and then click that a bunch of times until you see the curve. And then you can change how you zoom in. So you can use zoom in with select point, where you just press shift and then you can zoom into whatever point you want to. I personally use select rectangle. I think it's just easier to use. Then you just hold shift and draw a rectangle. I accidentally input another curve, but this doesn't matter. Then I just keep zooming in and I'll go to the point of interest and I'll find the time of death there. The other useful dfield features that I'll mention are that you can delete all orbits just by pressing that button. You don't, or you can, if you accidentally plot a bunch of orbits and you want to get rid of them, you can just replot the phase plane and it'll get rid of them as well. Um, that's honestly it. Like the dfield does not have that many features. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say here. Hopefully that was helpful.